How to build a bridge over a creek. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to cross a creek but there is no bridge in sight? Building a bridge can be a practical skill for self-sufficiency, especially when living off the grid. Let's break down the steps to create a sturdy bridge over a creek using simple materials and techniques. First, assess the location and span of the creek. Look for the narrowest point where the banks are stable. Measure the width of the creek to determine how long your bridge needs to be. This measurement is essential for planning the size and structure of your bridge. Next, select the type of bridge you want to build. For survival situations, a simple beam or log bridge is often the best choice. You can use fallen trees, logs, or sturdy planks as the main support beams. If you want to get a bit more advanced, you might consider arch or suspension designs, but these requiring more materials and skills. Now, prepare the foundation and supports. Make sure the banks are stable enough to hold the ends of the bridge. Clear and level the ground where the bridge will rest. For added stability, dig shallow holes to create footings and place rocks or compacted soil to support the ends of your logs or beams. Gather your materials next. Use strong, durable wood like hardwood logs or thick planks. If you have access to natural rope or vines, these can be great for binding and securing parts together. Avoid using green or rotten wood, as it will weaken the structure. Once you have your materials, construct the main supports. Lay the main beams or logs across the creek, ensuring they rest firmly on each bank or on the prepared footings. If the creek is wider, consider using multiple logs side by side, tied or fastened together for added strength. Now it is time to build the walkway. Place smaller planks or split wood across the main beams to create the walking surface. Secure these planks by nailing, lashing, or wedging them in place to prevent any shifting. Make sure to leave small gaps between the planks for water drainage. Adding safety features is important too. If you have the time and materials, create side rails using branches or rope to help prevent falls. You can drive stakes into the ground on each side and connect them with horizontal branches or tied ropes. Before using your bridge, it is essential to test its stability. Gradually apply weight to check for any movement, creaking, or signs of weakness. Reinforce any areas that seem unstable. Lastly, maintenance is key. Regularly inspect the bridge for damage, especially after heavy rain or flooding. Promptly replace or reinforce any weakened parts to ensure safety. In survival situations, simplicity is vital. Focus on creating a strong, stable crossing that can support foot traffic or light vehicles. Using local materials like hardwood logs and natural bindings can maximize your chances of success with limited resources. Building a bridge over a creek not only enhances your self-sufficiency but also provides a practical solution for navigating your environment.